show you how I want everything put into this website. Um, so here's the website you'll be pulling from. You'll be pulling from this area, the categories, right? So for sectionals, we're in the sectional category here. And you can see this one, Nicole, I've already placed here. And then I'm just going to show you how I want each of these put in so they match and everything looks the same. So right now we're going to replace this with this. We're just going to go left to right, right? So Java sectional, I'm going to take this. I'm just going to take a screenshot, make sure that none of these arrows are up. Okay, now we're going to go here. Upload the screenshot. Please make sure that you're putting the name of the item in the file name. So replace this with this, and then South Sea Outdoor Living Furniture. Please make sure you do this for each image. Also click design and do not display caption. So it looks like this. You'll see then they're very similar to the one on the top. For this one, we're just going to copy all of this. And then not want this number there. This can be just like this. Okay? So for this one, we would just then, I'll do one more, we would do the same thing. Candace. That. Let's save. So I'm going to, I'll leave the rest of these, but these need to be replaced. So just leave them just so you can copy right over. It'll make it faster, but you just keep going right down the page. Okay, and that's all you have to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the rest of these pages for you to then you can fill them in. All right, thanks.